Hey there, Binance users. Welcome to your quick guide on leverage trading. Let's dive right in and get you set up for success. First things first, always have a solid trading plan and risk management strategy. This isn't just about making profits, but also about protecting yourself from significant losses. Start with small positions and low leverage ratios. It might be tempting to go big, but in leverage trading, slow and steady wins the race. Next, use stop loss and take profit orders to manage your positions. Stop-loss orders automatically sell your asset when it hits a certain price, minimizing your losses. On the flip side, take profit orders lock in your gains when the price reaches your target. This way, you can walk away with profits without constantly monitoring the market. Speaking of monitoring, always keep a close eye on your positions and be ready to make adjustments as necessary. The market moves fast, and you need to stay on top of it to make informed decisions. Remember, leverage trading magnifies both your gains and your losses, so it's essential to stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. And that's it. Follow these tips and tricks, and you'll be on your way to successful leverage trading on Binance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.